यो उनीहरूको पासपोर्ट पनि हराइसकेको थियो नेपालमा ट्राभल गर्ने बेलामा र अहिले यो ट्राभल पर्मिट भन्छ यो चाहिँ इमिग्रेसनले उहाँहरूलाई दिएको छ यो चाहिँ प्रुभ हो उहाँहरूको पासपोर्ट चाहिँ लस्ट भइसकेको छ
Kutuma kutu, tubari dana, kutuma kutu. I'm not a party, so very difficult for me so much.
Oh, kutuma kutu supari dana.
Dana. Is it dana?
Kutuma kutu supari dana, kutuma kutu. Kutuma kutu supari dana, kutuma kutu. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Aliu, please you. You sing your one song.
I only know national anthem because when I go to game,
national song.
I can only speak a little. Sanyo tunga puka ami otimala Nepali. That's all I know.
What type of things did you learn at Nepal?
Yeah, what I really learn in Nepal, I really learn a lot.
Lots.
Anything?
Yeah.
Did you learn?
I learned humanity in Nepal.
Can you share?
I learned humanity in Nepal. Especially you taught me a lot of
lessons. Do you want to share?
Yeah. Especially you taught me a lot of lessons.
Yes.
Because I learned humanity through you.
Yes.
सम्पूर्ण नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई म सोनाली पुनमगर सामाजिक अभियन्ताको तर्फबाट नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु र विशेष गरेर अहिले म हाम्रो आदरणीय अफ्रिकन दाजुहरू हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू एलु अनि हेमजत हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूको यहाँ हामी आएका छौँ उपस्थित छौँ र विशेष गरेर आज हामी तपाईहरूलाई केही कुराको जानकारी गराउन गइरहेका छौँ र योभन्दा केही हप्ता अगाडि हैन हामीहरूले एलु र हेमजत को समस्याहरू तपाईहरू माझमा राखेका थियौँ र फेरि पनि पछि लङ टाइमको स्ट्रगलिङ पछि धेरै पछि अनि हामीहरूले उहाँहरूको 31 को टिकटहरू चाहिँ फिक्स गरेका थियौँ है 31 को टिकट हामीले फिक्स गरेका थियौँ डिसेम्बर 31 तारिकको टिकट र उहाँहरूको टिकट पहिला उहाँहरू जब सफरिङ हुनुभएको थियो उहाँ पीडित फुटबल खेल्ने भने नेपाल आउनु भएको थियो हैन अब नेपाल आइसकेपछि अब 1 महिना फुटबल खेलेपछि उहाँहरू लकडाउनमा पर्नुभयो लकडाउनमा परिसकेपछि उहाँले फुटबल खेल्न पाउनु भएन उहाँको पर्सनल एक्सपेन्सको लागि अलिअलि भएको पैसा पनि सकिँदै गयो त्यसपछि उहाँहरूसँग पैसा पनि भएन गाह्रो भयो उहाँहरूलाई म्यानेज गर्नको लागि हैन एन्डफाले पनि कुनै सपोर्ट उहाँहरूलाई गरिन अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ धेरै पछि चाहिँ उहाँहरूको समस्या चाहिँ समस्याहरू चाहिँ मैले उहाँहरूको समस्याहरू बुझ्दाखेरि उहाँ साच्चीकै सफरिङ उहाँहरू पीडित भएर नेपालमा अल्पत्र पर्नु भएको रहेछ र यस्तो अल्पत्र परेको अवस्थामा उहाँहरूलाई मैले भेटाइसकेपछि जब मैले एलु र हेमजत उहाँहरूसँग मैले कन्भर्सेसन गरिसकेपछि साच्चीकै उहाँहरूको पीडालाई देखेर मेरो मन एकदमै रोयो र उहाँहरूको बाबाआमा अफ्रिकामा उहाँहरू नेपालमा है उहाँहरूको बाबाआमा चाहिँ अफ्रिकामा रुनु हुँदो रहेछ उहाँहरू नेपालमा रुने यस्तो समस्याहरूबाट पीडित दुईजना अफ्रिकन दाजुहरू एलु अनि हेमजत हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँहरूको पीडा मैले सुनिसकेपछि मेरो मन एकदमै रोयो अनि मैले एलु र हेमजतलाई प्रोमिस गरेको थिएँ कि म जसरी भए पनि तपाईहरूलाई चाहिँ म अफ्रिका पठाउँछु भनेर मैले उहाँहरूलाई प्रोमिस गरेको थिएँ अनि मैले उहाँहरूलाई आफ्नै दाजुहरू हैन मेरो आफ्नै दाजु अनि मैले सम्झेर उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ म तपाईहरूलाई जसरी भए पनि म अफ्रिका पठाउँछु तपाईहरू चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस् भनेर मैले उहाँहरूलाई इन्करेज गरेँ हौसला उत्साह दिएँ हैन अनि त्यसपछि अब अगाडि फर्दर कसरी सपोर्ट गर्ने के गर्ने त्यसको कुनै पनि आइडिया थिएन तर एउटा विश्वासको साथमा मैले उहाँहरूलाई इन्करेज गरेँ हौसला दिएँ चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस् म जसरी भए पनि तपाईलाई अफ्रिका पठाउँछु 100% कन्फिडेन्ट मेरो सेल्फ कन्फिडेन्टको साथमा चाहिँ मैले एउटा प्रमिस गरेको थिएँ र त्यसपछि चाहिँ निरन्तर रूपमा म उहाँहरूलाई अफ्रिका पठाउने अभियानमा लागि परेँ र निरन्तर रूपमा मैले हार्डवर्क पनि गरेँ स्ट्रगलिङ हैन अनि निरन्तर रूपमा चाहिँ विभिन्न अब देशका दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूले आफै वी वान्ट टु सपोर्ट फर योर प्रोजेक्ट भनेर भन्नुभयो हैन हामी तपाईले चाल्नु भएको अभियानको लागि चाहिँ हामी तपाईलाई सपोर्ट गर्न चाहन्छौँ भने सेल्फ उहाँहरूले देश विदेशमा रहनुभएका दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूले चाहिँ सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो र अहिले आएर फाइनली उहाँहरूको टिकट हामीले 31 को लागि लिएको थियो 31 डिसेम्बरको लागि तर उहाँहरूको एक्सटेन्सन भिसा फी उहाँहरूको भिसा अगस्त 15 मा भन्दा अगाडि नै सकिसकेको थियो र अगस्त 15 बाट उहाँहरूले $8 को हिसाबले अहिलेको डेटसम्म तिर्नुपर्ने भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि 15 अगस्तबाट अहिलेको डेटसम्म जनवरी 5 सम्मको भोलि उहाँहरूको फ्लाइट छ जनवरी 5 तारिक बिहान 11 बजेको उहाँहरूको फ्लाइट छ र भोलिको 5 तारिकसम्म उहाँले एक्सटेन्सन भिसा फी तिर्नुपर्ने भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि हामीले 31 मा लिएको टिकट चाहिँ क्यान्सल गर्नुपर्ने भयो र उनीहरूको एक्सटेन्सन भिसा फीको लागि मात्रै 2,75,000 पैसा चाहिँ तिर्नुपर्ने थियो र उनीहरूको टिकटको लागि मात्रै उनीहरूको लाग्यो 2 लाख लगभग 2,10,000 जति टिकटको मात्रै 2,10,000 जति भन्दा बेसी नै लागेको छ भने उनीहरूको भिसा एक्सटेन्सनको लागि 2,75,000 रुपैयाँ चाहिँ हामीले मैले चाहिँ इमिग्रेसनमा गएर चाहिँ बुझाएको छु र उनीहरूको टिकटको लागि चाहिँ मैले म्याक्सिमम 2,10,000 भन्दा बेसी मैले टिकट एजेन्सीलाई चाहिँ मैले बुझाएको छु इम्पायर ट्राभल्स एन्ड टुर्स प्राइभेट लिमिटेडलाई चाहिँ बुझाएको छु र अहिले मेरो हातमा यो 2वटा टिकटहरू तपाईँले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ 31 को टिकटलाई क्यान्सल गरेर उनीहरूको भिसा एक्सटेन्सन फी जनवरीको 3 तारिक बुझाएर अनि 4 तारिक जनवरीको 4 तारिक आज उनीहरूको लागि ट्राभल डकुमेन्ट इमिग्रेसनमा बनाएर अब 5 तारिक भोलिको बिहान 11 बजेको फ्लाइट छ र यहाँनिर तपाईँले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँनिर केही डकुमेन्टहरू पनि छ अनि यो डकुमेन्टहरू यहाँनिर म तपाईँहरूलाई केही सो गर्नेछु यसको बारेमा हामी तपाईँहरूलाई क्लियरली हामी बताउन चाहन्छौँ किनभने तपाईँहरूले आफ्नै दाजुहरू सम्झेर आफ्नै भाइ छोराहरू सम्झेर उहाँलाई सपोर्ट गर्नुभएको छ पक्कै पनि तपाईँहरूले एलु र ह्यामजदलाई अफ्रिका फर्केको देख्न चाहनुहुन्छ अवश्य पनि र तपाईँले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ ट्राभल पर्मिट भनेर यो उनीहरूको पासपोर्ट पनि हराइसकेको थियो नेपालमा ट्राभल गर्ने बेलामा र अहिले यो ट्राभल पर्मिट भन्छ यो चाहिँ इमिग्रेसनले उहाँहरूलाई दिएको छ यो चाहिँ प्रुभ हो उहाँहरूको पासपोर्ट चाहिँ लस्ट भइसकेको छ र अहिले चाहिँ यो प्रुभ ट्राभल पर्मिट भनेर ट्राभल डकुमेन्ट इमिग्रेसन हैन नेपालले चाहिँ यो दिएको छ यो द्वारा चाहिँ भोलि उहाँहरू विदाउट पासपोर्ट यही नै उहाँको पासपोर्ट प्रुभ हो एयरपोर्टबाट भोलि उहाँहरूको टिकटको साथमा चाहिँ उहाँहरू जान सक्नुहुनेछ उहाँहरूको टिकट यो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँहरूले यो चाहिँ कतार एयरवेजको टिकट छ र यो टिकट चाहिँ उहाँहरू कतार एयरवेज इन्टरनेसनल त्रिभुवन इन्टरनेसनल एयरपोर्ट टु दोहा एयरपोर्टमा उहाँहरू जानुहुनेछ दोहा भएर फेरि उहाँहरू चाहिँ आफ्नो मुरितला इन्टरनेसनल एयरपोर्ट लोगोस अफ्रिका उहाँहरू पुग्नुहुनेछ है यो चाहिँ एलुको टिकट यो चाहिँ एलुको टिकट हो भने हामीसँग अर्को टिकट पनि छ हामीसँग यो टिकट छ यो चाहिँ ह्यामजदको टिकट यो चाहिँ एलुको टिकट यो चाहिँ ह्यामजदको टिकट हो दुईवटा टिकट चाहिँ यो मैले इम्पायर ट्राभल्स एन्ड टुर्सबाट प्राइभेट लिमिटेडबाट चाहिँ लिइसकेको छु है टिकट चाहिँ भोलि 11 बजे बिहान चाहिँ टिकट रहेको छ यो भने यो चाहिँ ट्राभल उनीहरूको पासपोर्ट हराएको थियो तर पनि इमिग्रेसनमा 2,75,000 रुपैयाँ एक्सटेन्सन फी तिरेपछि मात्रै नेपालको गभर्मेन्ट इमिग्रेसनले यो चाहिँ ट्राभल पर्मिट भनेर उसले एक्सटेन्सन फी बुझाएपछि मात्रै यो प्रुफ चाहिँ दिएको छ र यो मार्फत चाहिँ एलु अनि ह्यामजद भोलि त्रिभुवन इन्टरनेसनल एयरपोर्टबाट आफ्नो देश फर्कनु हुनेछ र त्यस्तै आएर उहाँहरूको यो कोभिड-19 को टेस्ट पनि स्टार हस्पिटलबाट यसरी यो कोभिड-19 को टेस्ट गरेको र यसमा पनि उहाँहरूको कोभिड-19 को टेस्ट पनि नेगेटिभ आएको छ थ्याङ्क्स टु गड है गडलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद अनि त्यस्तै आएर अब केही समयपछि अब म केही एलु र ह्यामजदलाई केही कुराहरू सोध्न गइरहेको छु हैन अब म एलु अनि ह्यामजदसँग केही कन्भर्सेसन गर्न गइरहेको छु र केही कुराहरू म उहाँहरूलाई सोध्दैछु किनभने भोलि उहाँहरूको बिहान 11 बजेको फ्लाइट छ र उहाँहरूले आफ्नो सुटकेसहरू सामानहरू सबै कुराहरू रेडी पारिसक्नु भएको छ र उहाँहरूसँग म केही कुराकानी गर्नेछु अब उहाँ आफ्नो आफ्टर लङ टाइम पछि उहाँहरू आफ्नो कन्ट्री फर्किँदै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू सफरिङ हुनुहुन्थ्यो, पीडामा हुनुहुन्थ्यो, अल्पत्र हुनुहुन्थ्यो, सहाराविहीन सहयोगविहीन हुनुहुन्थ्यो र अब उहाँ आफ्नो कन्ट्री फर्किँदै हुनुहुन्छ र मलाई लाग्छ उहाँहरू पक्कै पनि निकै खुसी हुनुहुन्छ। हुन्छ हामी थोरै कन्भर्सेसन गर्छौँ, कुराकानी गर्नेछु एलु र हेमजतसँग। हाई एलु एन्ड हेमजत, हाउ आर यु बोथ?
I'm fine. We are fine.
Yeah, fine.
Fine? Yeah. Okay. After a long time, you are both going back your country. So, how you are both feeling right now?
We feel so excited and so happy.
So
That after a long
happy.
time,
We are so
I think we
happy.
are happy.
Seriously.
So, you are both very, very happy, right?
Yeah, we are very
Yeah.
happy to go back to our country.
So,
We are very happy. Seriously.
okay. I am also very, very happy. I am very so much
Thank you,
happy.
miss.
Okay.
Thank you for a lot because you do a great job
So I
for us.
will ask you next question. You are both going to your home. So your parents know or not? They know.
Yeah, they knew we
Yeah,
are
our
coming home.
parents, They
They
know
knew
that we are coming home, so they are waiting for us to
Oh.
receive us also. Because they have, since long time, they are expecting us to come.
Are they happy or not?
They
Are
are
they
happy, yeah,
happy?
yeah,
They are
yeah.
very happy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They are very happy to see us.
to
come.
see us
Maybe they are so much happy
happy, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
because Okay. So what type of things did you learn at Nepal?
Yeah, what I really learn in Nepal, I really learn a lot.
A
Huh?
lot.
Anything
Yeah,
did you learn?
I learned humanity in Nepal.
Can you
Humanity.
share?
I learned humanity in Nepal. Especially you taught me a lot
Do you
of
want to
lessons.
share?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially you taught me a lot of lessons.
Yes,
Because I
Oh.
learned humanity through you.
yes.
I learned normally I'm a human, but I learn more of humanity.
Oh.
So I'm so
And the
grateful.
Nepal's people,
Nepal people are very-
Nepalese peoples are so very kind. Okay, Nepal's
So much
peoples,
kind,
Nepalese
yeah.
peoples are
They
very
must
kind.
kind.
Okay, so
Yes.
much kind.
Yes.
Humble. Yeah.
Caring,
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
caring, they are good.
Yeah. Did you feel it that Nepalese peoples are kindness?
Yes. Because sometimes I go to game. So even when I go to game, some Nepali call me when I play good.
Yeah.
Come, my
Did you
friend.
feel it, Elu?
Yeah, I
Yes.
feel
People-
Yes,
kindness.
come and eat my home.
Helpful.
Yeah,
they
Yeah.
are very helpful. They are very good
Yes.
people.
they are very nice Nepali people.
If I have
very
the
nice.
opportunity to come again, I think I will come to Nepal.
Yeah. Okay. Today is your special day, right?
Yeah,
Today is your special day.
yeah, it's a special day to
Yeah.
me
Today and
Because-
tomorrow is your special day.
because
Okay.
I'm so
So,
much
uh,
I'm so much have joy
do
today.
you want to sing a one Nepalese song?
Me, I don't know how to sing
Huh?
Nepali song
Nepalese
because I
song,
don't
just
understand
one
Nepali
Nepalese
song.
song.
Yeah, no.
And Hamzat will
can-
sing, okay?
No,
Okay,
I
go,
cannot
go, go.
Yeah,
sing.
just
I
please,
cannot
okay?
sing the long, just a short.
Yes.
Just one song, no problem. You are both
Go,
happy
go,
today,
go.
so I am
Yes.
telling to you. But just one, okay? Start. Let's.
Just a little. I'm
Okay,
not-
little, no problem.
just-
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Let's.
Kutuma kutu, supari dani. Kutuma kutu. Kutuma kutu, subari dana. Kutuma kutu.
Try,
I'm not Nepali, so very difficult for me. So much.
Oh, kutuma kutu supari dana.
Dana. Is it dana? Well,
Kutuma kutu supari dana. Kutuma kutu. Kutuma kutu supari dana. Kutuma kutu. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Aliu, please you. You sing a one song.
I only know national anthem because when I go to game,
Nepalese national song.
I can only speak a
Sanyotunga?
little. Sanyotunga puka ami o timala Nepali. That's all I know.
Oh, okay, we will sing together.
Okay,
Sanyotunga फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौमै फैलिएका मेची महाकाली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचल वीरहरूका रगतले स्वतन्त्र र अटल ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड
Oh, why does he say that?
के भयो दाइ किन यस्तो गर्नुभएको त अनि बिग्रियो ए अनि म त रोक्नु भने जस्तै लाग्यो
छोटो मात्रै गाउनु भन्यो
ए ल ल हुन्छ हुन्छ
पुगिहाल्यो त्यति भयो
Okay, I will ask you both next question. So, both of you stayed at Nepal long time, okay? Long time.
Yes.
So tomorrow you are both going back your country. So do you want to remember? Do you want to remember some people here at Nepal?
Yeah, if you ask me.
Especially, do you want to remember?
Yeah, a lot of
Yes.
people to remember,
Oh.
but my first of all, my remembrance go to you. Me Somali, I'm so much grateful.
Yeah, okay.
And secondly, to all my brothers here, they have been very, very
yeah,
wonderful.
Yeah.
And thirdly, I think to Mejandan
Yeah.
that introduced me to you. I really appreciate him so much. And then to our former club, Three Staff Work Club, for giving us the opportunity to showcase our talent. For the coach of the team, Megra Keshi, very wonderful man, and
As
goes
well,
to our
Dr.
president.
Subba,
And goes to our
Yeah.
president.
and he also helped you.
He also helped us, our president. We say thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.
And go to
Okay.
Dr. Suba
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 Suba.
for everything he has done for us. Really appreciate him so much. May God bless him anywhere he is and his entire household. We are very grateful.
Okay. So, do you have any unforgettable moment? Okay. Do you have any unforgettable moment during the time of staying at Nepal?
Yeah, so many times it's unforgettable. Staying
Can you
at
share
Nepal,
with me?
Yeah, staying at Nepal is a very wonderful experience
Oh,
because I would say,
lost passport.
yeah, for me to this is my first time in playing in Asia country. First time in playing playing football in Asia country. So
Okay.
it was unforgettable.
So last time you lost your passport. So
Oh.
it was your unforgettable moment.
Yeah, it was
Yes,
very
yes.
unforgettable. It was very, very difficult.
Oh.
Because we were
Very,
thinking
very
how to go back
painful,
home, how to
very,
get this, how to
very
get that.
hard.
Very, very hard.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
hard.
So, when you lost your passport at that time, did you remember to your parents?
Yeah, we did. We personally called them.
You
we
share
lost
with your
passports,
parents?
We share our pains with them.
What they told you both?
Yeah, they told us to know how to get ourselves out and they prayed for us. They say, okay, I think we should have to go to our embassy or this guide us and
There
which
was
we did.
worries maybe.
Worry.
And they were so
worried,
worried.
and they are always also pray for us.
Oh,
They were so worried.
sad.
Sad,
Yeah.
yeah.
They were so
They were
worried.
sad. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow you are both going back your country.
So happy.
So after reach at Africa, and what do you want to do there?
We are going to continue our football, our
We
career.
have to continue our career
Our
there.
career there. Starting
And then
So
planning
will,
to move to
will
Europe.
you go another country?
another country.
Yeah, we are planning to move. We are
Europe.
planning to take our trip to Europe.
Will you both go another country for play football?
Yes,
Further
sure,
plan.
Sure. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, will you come at Nepal again or not?
Yeah, if I have the opportunity to come to Nepal, we
if
come
there's
to Nepal
opportunity,
because
we come
Nepal is a very
If
very
any
peaceful.
opportunity to come
Yes,
at
yes,
Nepal,
yes.
If
and any
opportunity
possibilities,
arise,
yeah, then you will you both come at Nepal, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
If the opportunity arise, then we come.
So tomorrow you are both going back to your country, and what do you want to tell to your parents, to your country's peoples?
A
What
lot.
we want to talk to our country people is we want to share the experience with them and tell them that Nepali people are very very
They are
good
very
people.
good, and the what we go
Very
through here.
Yeah.
very kind and active
Very-
people. So I think we are going to share our experience with them.
Okay, so many Nepalese peoples and those who are living a different country of the world, and they saw you, okay, so you both, and
Oh.
they understood your problems, and they supported you both, and for your ticket, okay. So what do you want to tell them?
Right now we are very grateful. We
Very
just want to
grateful.
thank them, want to
Thank
thank them.
everyone,
Thank them.
everyone supporting us. Thank you so much. Namaste.
We just
Okay,
to thank
so
them.
you are both going back to your country tomorrow, and we are so much happy, and we are very much happy as well, feeling so blessed because God has given this great opportunity to support both of you. Okay, so it's very great privilege for me that God has given me, okay, this opportunity. So I am thankful to God. I am so much thankful to God
Thank you.
because He did miracles, okay, and I am so much happy, and I wish you both all the best for your journey, and have a blessed and happy journey, both of you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
so
you.
much.
So God bless you both abundantly, okay? So do good, always flow the right way, okay? Do good, continue, and even you are in bad circumstance, that's no matter. That's does not matter. Develop your positive attitude, okay? All the time, think positive, okay?
Yes.
Okay, God is always be with you both.
Thank
Okay,
you so
don't worry
much.
anything.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you very
Thank you,
much.
miss.
so much.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you, all the crew.
Namaste.
So